Welcome to CG Academy SPARTA campus. CG is a world-class tutorial center specially designed to provide intensive English courses and an outstanding educational system to foreign nationals. CG Academy SPARTA campus offers a variety of courses that are suitable for the needs of each student. There are ESL courses and special courses like TOEIC, IELTS, and Business English course. CG office creates an environment for students to make consultation with their managers easy. CG is conveniently situated in a safe and peaceful site, away from the city life. With around-the-clock security inspection and 24/7 surveillance cameras, CG students can focus on their studies without having to worry about their safety. To ensure our students' comfort, we offer a luxurious European-inspired resort-style apartments with a variety of options to choose from. Students may also take advantage of our multi-purpose court where students could do sport activities such as basketball, volleyball, badminton, soccer, and sepak takraw. We provide access to facilities such as gym and table tennis where they could get fit and improve their welfare. The strict implementation of EOP helps enhance the students' English proficiency and promote cultural exchange from different nationalities. CG Sparta also provides leisure facilities like swimming pool where students can relieve their stress and sheltered poolside rest area which allows access to open air and a tropical garden. Sparta campus provides 6 spacious study rooms which serve as venues for the daily vocabulary test, evening classes, essay writing, and self-study. CG caters mouth-watering and delicious buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We serve plenty of the best-tasting goodies and refreshments at our snack bar too. Stimulate your taste buds with the perfect blend of freshly ground coffee offered exclusively at our snack bar. CG offers a variety of instructional courses perfect for diverse learners. Man-to-man classes present more specific and in-depth learning environment where students are provided with a wide array of subjects to choose from. What's more, CG is the only academy in Cebu that limits its group classes to only 4 students, making it a lot easier for students to feel at ease and at the same time giving more opportunities to participate in class. Allow us to share this wonderful opportunity with you because we believe that CG has what it takes to bring out the best in you. Join us and be a part of our growing CG family.